I would say that there's nothing quite like painting with oil paint. The medium is so versatile and you can get such a wide range of different techniques just from using oil paints. So it's a incredibly exciting medium to use, but it can maybe be a little bit intimidating because of that. So on this course, we hope to just cover all of the foundational principles and walk through the whole process of making a painting from start to finish. We look at creating balance and in composition and in shape. We do a real deep dive into colour and colour theory. We look at tone and how that helps us create 3D form. If you're wanting to learn how to use oil paints, this is the course for you.